Today is June 15th. I would love to sit here and complain to you guys all day about what's not going right, but I don't have much to complain about.
We're here today with Frantina Williams. She's our local rep from BASF. We go off university studies, we go off what Frantina says, but you know, it never hurts on your own farm to do your own data. You know, you've got to check and see what works for you and what works for you in your environment.
It's just a scary feeling when you're this good this early. Normally by this time we're worn out from just trying to fight keeping the crop's head above water.
This was real good when it started, and then we went through a small dry spell. I think it helped a lot with the way the root structure is on it. It had a pretty good seed treatment on it, and proof's in the pudding, right?
Mother Nature's always going to win. You got to be able to roll with the punches.